Hello and welcome back to PSDESIRE. In this video, I will show you how to use clone stamp tool to change facial features in Photoshop. Are you ready to learn how to do that? Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. Create a new layer by clicking on this new layer button at the bottom of the layers panel. This will allow you to work non-destructively and make changes on a separate layer without affecting the original image. Now select the clone stamp tool from the tools panel on the left hand side of the screen. It looks like a rubber stamp. Adjust the brush size, hardness as needed depending on the area you want to work on. Now the question is, how do we choose the area we want to clone? Simple. Just hold the Alt on Windows or Option key on Mac and click on an area of the image that you want to use as a sample source. This will define the area that you want to clone. You will see an overlay preview of the sampled pixels. Now go to Window menu at the top of the screen and choose Clone Source to open the Clone Source panel. In the Clone Source panel, click on the icon that looks like two arrows pointing horizontally to flip the sample source horizontally. Why would we want to do that? Because this is useful when you want to clone an object to the opposite side of the image. Such as in this case, we want to change the eye similar to the another eye, so where you want to change the facial features. Now press Ctrl or Command plus R to open the ruler tool. Click and drag a line across the image to set the eye level. This will serve as a reference for aligning the cloned eye. Now start painting over the area where you want to clone the eye on the opposite side of the face. Use short strokes and be carefully paint to align it with the eye level. The clone stamp tool will copy the pixels from the sample source which we defined earlier and apply them to the new area. This tool effectively cloning the eye to the other side of the face. Once you are done cloning the eye, you can disable the ruler by pressing Ctrl or Command plus R again. Now hold down Ctrl or Option key and click on this layer mask button located at the bottom of the layers panel to add an inverted layer mask. Now select soft white brush from the tools panel, paint over the layer mask with the white brush to reveal the cloned eye. You can adjust the brush opacity and size as needed to blend the cloned eye with the surrounding area. Now we need to keep the look natural by maintaining slight difference between left side and the right side. I want to add some hair on top of the cloned eye, so I'm going to select clone stamp tool again. Hold the Alt or Option key and click on an area of the hair that you want to use as our sample source. This will define the area that you want to clone from. Now paint over the hair that I want to keep it original. Using the clone stamp tool to copy the pixels from the sample source. And that's it. Take a look at the before and after. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive Photoshop tips, tricks and techniques, and hit the bell icon for notifications. And also please like, share and comment. See you in our next video. Happy editing.